Hello. So I decided a while ago to create a Patreon, and but I didn't really know what to put there. It felt kind of silly making it, and so on. Um, but now I have received a comment that mentioned Patreon, and so I figured I might as well sort of just make it public and make it, put it out there, right? And so we will start here a Patreon just with, let's see if I can share this here. Uh, $2 a month. The real sort of the short version is you're supporting effectively the channel, right? You also get access to a members channel on a Discord. I have a Discord for my company, and so we'll basically have a channel there for this stuff. We will also have other kind of YouTube sections. So if people want to join, I will make this basically public and so on. We can kind of, in some ways, build a community around this stuff, right? Importantly, I do not want to put any technical content behind any educational content behind sort of this, behind a paywall, right? I don't feel super comfortable with that. The whole purpose of the channel is to, in many ways, kind of democratize the learning of these things, right? So learning Odin and, learning about broader technical topics and so on will always be free. I don't feel comfortable, making that a paid thing. But in time, we will come up with effectively more tiers that could provide interesting things, right? It could be, for example, things like I will help out, for example, bounce ideas on projects, things like this, right? Or if someone wants actual kind of private time for tutoring, for example, that could be also an idea in the future, right? So we're opening up basically right now $2 a month for effectively just supporting the channel and getting access to a specific kind of channel on the Discord. But we're also opening up a Discord where people can, build a community around the idea of, making things yourself, using Odin and stuff like this. So that's it. I really just wanted to announce this. And I'm not, just to be clear, I have no expectations here. And do not feel any pressure to join the Patreon, or this is not really what it's for. It's there for people who actually just feel compelled in some ways to support the channel, right? And I hope that we can kind of build on that, right? Because I want the channel to be existing obviously in the future and so on. And there is now a library of videos that I really love having up there, right? But I hope to make more, right? And that's kind of where all of this stuff comes in the long run, right? So anyway, that's the announcement. We're doing a Discord, we're doing a Patreon, right? And we're also never putting learning content behind a paywall. We're never putting libraries behind a paywall either. If I make a library for something, it will just be free. It will be out there. At no point will we put them behind a paywall. And if I ever break that promise, you should tell me very loudly that this is wrong. We will not do that, right? So that's it. Hope you're having a nice day, and ciao.